Hello, everybody. It is December 16th. It's Monday. I have been out of commission since last week, really, with a cold, and it got really bad this weekend, so I've just been kind of laying low. I'm at work yet, and I figured I would record opening my advents real quick for you all. And Sophie is hanging out here too, and let's see if she'll jump up here yet. There we go. She's gonna open. Isn't that fun? All right, so I don't feel bad, but my nose hurts. It's so raw. As you can see, it's so red. I look horrible. I'm exhausted because I'm not sleeping very well either, but that is what happens when you're feeling well. All right, let's start here. We have So Happy Jane, day 14. Seeing the Aurora Borealis means witnessing a celestial dance of magical colors as I can't read with Sophie. As the northern lights illuminate the night sky with ethereal beauty. What do you think's in here, Soul? What do you think? Yeah. Ooh, it's a pretty color. That's a little bit of a purple hue, violet, blues, dark blues behind it. So pretty. So that's day 14. Sunday, day 15. Visiting the lavender fields in Sequim, Washington means immersing yourself in a fragrant purple wonderland where rows of blooming lavender create a breathtaking and aromatic landscape. Beautiful purple. This is like ideal lavender. What do you think? Pretty good. Yeah. Very, very pretty. And day 16. An afternoon in Napa Valley means indulging in world-class wines, savoring scenic beauty, and experiencing the epitome of Californian luxury. I love a good trip to the valley. My sister got married there. It was a fun time. Look at that gorgeousness. Ooh. This is really, really pretty. This would be beautiful as a sweater, too. Love that. So fun. All right, those are So Happy jeans for today. So pretty. All right, I'm going to move on to Blue Fern Yarns. See what kind of magic she has in store for us. Look at that. So pretty. That's day 14. Day 15 has a little treat. Cadbury. Love some Cadbury. Oh, and this one plays off of the first one, too. Look how pretty that is. These together. So fun. These are going to be just gorgeous. We'll figure out what I'm going to do with them all. We get into some green tone. Wow. Look at all the colors. That is so pretty. Let's see. 14. 16. Those are gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Well, let's do some stitch markers. I am just dying to get these off the cards, but I don't want to. I have them all open. But they're all just so pretty. Look at this pretty one here. How could kind of a coppery rose gold. And day 15. Oh, this is fun. Like a little dual blue, royal blue. I feel so like I haven't opened these. I've not had the energy or even the the excitement behind opening them. Guess that's what happens when you don't feel very good. I almost didn't grab them when I left home today, but I figured I'll take some time and do this. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is called Orange and Black Agate. That is really pretty. So fun. These are just gorgeous. The last 14, 15, 16. I did find my full skein. It was in a bag that I had brought to work, and then I had brought it home, and I was figured, and I had some yarn in it that I will share with you later that I had in my stash that I found again, and I now have a plan for it, so I'm excited for that. What do we have here? Oh, look at this. Little buttons. Those are pretty. Oh, those would be pretty on a little sweater or top. Very fun. So that was day 14. It's day 15. Yarn. We're Moody Yarn. Pretty that is. Oh, I love it. Love it. And day 16. This is how Sophie sits. So I'm at work. Right now I'm sitting at my desk that I sit at throughout most of the day. And there's a window behind me. I have another window over here too. I have one computer here. I'm kind of slouched in my chair so she can rest on back of my chair. And then I have another computer workstation over here too. But this is how she likes to sit for most of the day. But she's always hanging out with me. So that's fun. Oh, wow. Look at this. So neat. This was made by Twin Mountain Handcrafts. It is so shimmery. Oh, I can't wait to travel with this. And it's exactly... it's a needle. Oh my gosh, I lost my words. But it lets us know what the size of our needles are. And I need this because I was going through a stash area of mine that's next to a chair that I keep a lot of my works in progress. I was like, there's all these needles in here, but they don't have their their pouches, so I don't know what sizes they are. So this is perfect because I'm always looking for these two. I can never this and cable needles. I never seem to have enough of. I always need one next to me at all times. But I'll pop in later when I get home, and I will show you this yarn that I found in my stash that I've decided to knit a new sample that I can wear. So this is the version for myself of my Pickwick sweater. The sweater that launched, gosh, was it in 2022, I think? Might have been in 23. Actually, I think it was February of 23. And it used a new worsted weight yarn, beautiful Targhee from Miss Babs Yarn. And absolutely beautiful yarn to knit with. But the yarn that I have in my stash is from the Farmer's Daughter. And it's this really rich, beautiful green that I bought maybe 4 years ago. And I haven't had a plan for it. And as I was cleaning out some things, I crossed it and I was like, I want a new Pickwick. This would be perfect in it. So I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to make a couple mods to the pattern too. Because I want to do a cowl neck, but I want it to be a little bit of a drapier, like a longer cowl neck. So, and once I figure out the mods for that, I'll include those in my pattern notes or my project notes. So that can be shared. But I'll pop a couple pictures of the pattern in here too, so you can kind of see those as well. Anyways, that was the advent opening. We'll be back later, won't we, Sophie? Yes, we will. All right, talk to you later. Hello, I am back a few days late, but we're going to wrap up with that color of yarn. Here's Sophie that I was going to show you all. that I'm planning to knit my Pickwick sweater in. So this is the yarn. It is just this beautiful Kelly green. I know it's a little blown out with my LED lights here in my office, but it's really pretty. And as I told you, so this is from Farmer's Daughter Fiber, and it is their Pishkin DK. It's 100% Montana and Wyoming Rambouillet, and the color's called Undercurrent. So even though this is a DK and my sweater that I'm talking about, my Pickwick, is knit in a worsted weight, this is a very plumpy yarn. And I don't see, even if my sweater is going to feel a little lighter, but I know I'll still be able to meet gauge, and it's going to be great. So I'm super excited to get started on this. It probably won't be until 2025, but at least I have a plan for the yarn, which I always love. So anyways, thanks everybody. Days 14, 15, and 16 all in one, and my apologies for the delay. It's just been a little crazy over here, but I hope you're all having a wonderful mid-December. Bye.